So, what's up guys? It's me. Um, may papakilala pala ako sa inyong Point Blank, private server. November pa sila nag-ooperate. Hindi pa sila down sa ngayon. So, this server is free cash. 10 million or 10 billion cash with a lot of guns and items. Kung sawa na ba kayo maglaro sa main PB, you can go to this private server. Stable siya kasi Singapore yung server niya. So, pwede nyo naman to i-promote or anything friends that can download this Point Blank and to engage na din since free lang siya, and then a lot of guns pwede nyo makuha. So, ang gagawin nyo first step is i-search nyo muna yung website. Pangalan niya is spacegrindgame.xyz. At after nyo ma-enter yan, lalagay ko sa description yan. So, enter nyo. May lalabas na main website, which is yung main website. So, may makikita kayo sa taas, download, rank, etc. login. So, first, tuturuan ko muna kayo para mag-register. Punta kayo login, register, and then fill up the form here, username, email, password, and then password ulit. And then ito, kung di nyo naiintindihan, translate nyo lang sa English para maintindihan nyo. So, ayan. Pili kayo dyan. Halimbawa, makalimutan yung password nyo. Ayan yung ilalagay nyo. Halimbawa, ito, favorite food, adobo, ganyan. So, after nyo malagay dito yung favorite nyong food, create account. After create account, punta naman tayo ng download. So, scroll lang kayo pataas. Then, may makikita kayong game client, which is i-download nyo yung game. First is i-download nyo muna yung launcher. Ito yung launcher. Scroll lang, mababasa nyo naman yan. Game and game launcher. And then, download nyo na din tong support tools kung wala pa kayong support tools. Ano lang yan? Visual. Search nyo lang. Visual. C++. Contribute. All-in-one. Then, punta kayo dito sa Touch Power Up. And then, download nyo lang to. Then, next, download natin muna yung launcher. I already download it na. So, papakita ko pa rin sa inyo kung paano i-download to. And then, pag may lumabas na ganun, gagawin nyo lang is download dangerous file. Okay, pag ganyan yung lumabas guys, ang gagawin nyo lang is i-off nyo yung antivirus nyo. Sa una lang naman yung ganyan, wala naman talaga yung virus. So, ayan. Then, download dangerous file. And then, pangalawa naman, proceed tayo, which is the game client. Download nyo lang to. And then, ayan, may makikita kayong Google Drive. Halimbawa, hindi nyo siya ma-download. Pakita ko sa inyo. And then, click nyo muna to. Pag click nyo, may lalabas na ganito. Then, download anyway. Ayan, walang error sa atin. Pag may lumalabas na error guys, login lang kayo dun sa Gmail. And then, para ma-download nyo to. I already download it na. Ito na siya. So, hindi ko na siya kailangan basta, naka-download na siya. So, ang next naman natin, kung saan nyo siya din-download, dun din kayo pumunta. So, asan na siya? Ito. Gagawin nyo muna para di kayo malito. I-drag nyo na lang muna sa desktop nyo para malinis at para naiintindihan nyo. Then, after nyo ma-download, after nyo ma-transfer, right-click, zip. Kung wala kayong zip, WinRAR, extract files. And then, saan nyo gustong extract? Since tutorial lang naman to, ilalagay ko siya sa desktop. Nakalagay naman desktop. Yan na siya. So, yes. After nitong pangalawang file, unang file, ito naman yung sunod natin, yung PB Launcher. Extract files lang din. Tapos sa desktop ko lang din siya ilalagay. Then after nyan, copy nyo yung laman na nasa loob ng PB file. And then, ilagay nyo sa space grid. And then, replace the file in the destination. After nyan, hanapin nyo na yung mismong launcher, which is pblauncher.exe. You can drag it into desktop. And then, pwede nyo na siya ma-play.
Moving away, can't you see? Sand in your feet, feel the breeze in the summertime. Stars in the sky, one dime for a first time. Moving away to the sea. Moving away, can't you see? We'll drink honey by the ocean.
And then,
It's our favorite potion.
update nyo lang siya
Let me tell you one
hanggang sa lumabas yung
days will never end.
start.
No, our days will never end, yeah. No.
Once na update nyo na, click start. And then, yung antivirus pala, you can turn it on. Kasi wala naman po yung virus. Ayan.
Get off your seat, clap your hands to the beat, grab your champagne glass tonight. We toast to freedom in the Caribbean.
And then, lagyan nyo na lang yung credentials nyo or yung account nyo na create yun sa website. Since ako meron akong account, then after login nyo, public server, kahit rin dyan sa server, mostly nasa server 1 sila lahat. Yan. You can buy anything else here. And then, ako pa lang kasi yung Pinoy na nandito. So, I would like to introduce to you guys this. Since wala pa naman ang Pinoy na naglalaro nito.
All right, let's move out. Double kill. Triple kill. Chain killer.
Yun lang. I hope you